Hello everyone, Brian Hoops with Midwest Market Solutions. Now that the government has reopened, we should get back to more fundamental trading of the markets. We want to invite you to be part of our webinar coming up on February the 8th when the USDA has their supply and demand report. Howard Cottle and myself from our Yankton, South Dakota office will be doing our monthly webinar. We want to invite you to tune in to our website, MidwestMarketSolutions.com, be part of our webinar. And at the end of February, we'll be doing our long-term outlook webinar, and you can also find that at our website, MidwestMarketSolutions.com. We invite you to be part of our mini webinars that are available every day, every morning and every evening. We do Market Insider TV. It's a 4 to 5 minute segment that gives you all the fundamental and technical information of the marketplace that you need to know for the day ahead. And if you're into spec trading, we also have a special daily newsletter that is also a newsletter and video feature available only for traders that are interested in speculatively looking at the markets. You can get all this and more at our website, MidwestMarketSolutions.com. Go there, check it out. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a great day. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.